It is Saturday morning. Weather outside is not so nice, just for the weekend. So I will start to remove all the tiles in this former kitchen here. You don't need to wash.
Can save the tiles, can reuse them.
So maybe you find a treasure here or something.
No.
Hallo, hallo, hallo.
Cantina.
Happy Sunday, another fun day. So yesterday we took all the tiles off here in the former kitchen in the basement unit. So it smells wet here now, it smells damp now. Before it was never smelling damp. So yeah, let's see. It's sunny and this morning I want to knock out this bathroom and then hopefully we can enjoy some weather here. Where are your friends? Why is this breaking and not the other one from upstairs? Can you remember?
It's a bigger hammer.
Where you got the hammer from? England?
Yeah.
Okay. God. We're going getting ice cream, huh? Spaghetti ice cream. Del Lario, not good. Mandello, perfect. After the ice cream and coffee latte, you have to work it off. Tikka, Miss Masala, and Miss Shashlik. Good evening, beautiful people.
Good evening.
We are out in Mandello del Lario. Sunday night after some work in the villa. And beautiful sunshine today we had. We had ice cream earlier. And our new plan is
to find new restaurants, huh?
so every Sunday we want to go in a different restaurant now. So we're just walking around Mandello and trying to find a restaurant.
Don't know Mandello very well, so it's good to have a look around, I think, and see what there is.
Exactly.
But I did find one restaurant, but it's not open apparently. So.
Yeah, and there's a sushi place you found.
Yeah, but you didn't want sushi, so...
Not tonight. I want Italian tonight.
Okay. That might be difficult.
Let's see what we can find here in Spain. Nothing open except pizza places, but I don't want to have a pizza tonight. So we are heading home back to Villa Rosa, and then we get in the car and driving to Milano. Huh?
For pizza.
Maybe. No, I have something different.